Welcome, my friends. I'm Miroslav, and today we're going to be making chicken fettuccine Alfredo. You're going to need 600 grams of chicken breast, 8-ounce fettuccine pasta, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 8 ounces cream cheese, 1 1/4 cups heavy cream, 1 tablespoon Italian seasoning, 1 teaspoon paprika, 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon pepper, 4 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 tablespoons garlic. We're going to start by seasoning chicken breast. Sprinkle a little bit of salt and then a little bit of paprika, and you can rub it in with the hand and then flip it over and do the same. Add 2 tablespoons of butter in a frying pan and let it melt. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. That's going to prevent butter from burning. Then add chicken breast. And let it saute for about 3 minutes on each side until it's completely cooked. Then we're going to take the chicken out. While we're preparing the sauce, we can have a separate pot to boil the water for pasta. Add 2 more tablespoons of butter. Add garlic. You can reduce the temperature a little bit down. Add Italian seasoning. Add heavy cream. Now we're going to add cream cheese. And just with the spoon, break it down until it's completely blended in. Add salt and pepper. Now we're going to cook pasta. I prefer fresh pasta and it takes me about 3 minutes to cook it. If you're using dry pasta, it might take you longer, maybe 7-8 minutes depending on the pasta. I do have a video on my channel how to make fresh pasta from scratch. Add Parmesan cheese. And let it blend in completely before you add pasta. I don't drain water from pasta because it's good. I take pasta straight from the pot and put it in a sauce and then slowly start mixing it. That would make the whole dish saucy. Then you can cut out the chicken any way you want it. I like to cut it in strips. You can add the chicken on a whole dish. Or you can put it on an individual plate as you serve it.
Oh yeah, this is good. You gotta try this.
I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.